Hi everyone, I'm Shinji, living in Chiang Mai. Today I'm going to share a new standard for international payments so you don't lose money without even realizing it. Did you know you don't actually have to pay that 3% fee on your current cards anymore? When you use a Japanese credit card abroad, you're being charged a foreign transaction fee of between 2.2% and 3% every single time. On top of that, banks often apply their own unfavorable exchange rates. The reality is that many people are paying a huge hidden cost without even noticing it. By cutting out the middlemen, they've made it possible to pay with the mid-market rate, the real exchange rate you see when you search on Google. It's truly the smart choice for the internet age. Since these are debit cards, you can only spend the amount you've already topped up. Not only does this prevent overspending, but you also get instant notifications on your smartphone the moment you make a purchase. This allows you to spot and block unauthorized use immediately. The peace of mind is on a whole different level. The reason I love using Wise is simply because it's so straightforward. While Revolut charges a 1% fee on weekends, with Wise, you never have to worry about what day of the week it is. I want to save my mental energy for more important things, and for me, Wise is the best choice. Plus, you can exchange your yen into baht in advance when the yen is strong. By locking in the rate at your favorite timing, your transaction fees on the ground become virtually zero. It's the perfect way to make exchange rate fluctuations work in your favor. If you sign up through the referral link in the description below, you'll get a coupon for a fee-free transfer of up to 75,000 JPY. It's a much better deal than signing up through the official website, so make sure to take advantage of this opportunity. Just one thing to keep in mind. To make sure you receive this bonus, you need to spend at least 30,000 JPY in a foreign currency. If you exchange your money into baht before heading to Thailand and use it once you're there, you'll easily meet the requirement. Give it a try and enjoy the benefits. Let's cut out those hidden, unnecessary fees and enjoy a freer, simpler life abroad together. Check the description box for all the details. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.